Fine. What about dashboard? How many of you started? How many of you completed dashboard? How many of you getting output? Have you started the project, guys? No? Why, Shivan? We'll start when? No time. Today we're starting. Yesterday, what day? Wednesday only, no? It's good day only. Why? Today we're starting. Today only Thursday, no? Thursday or Wednesday? Today Thursday. Guys, really, Wednesday is a good day actually. Yeah. Good second. Today Thursday only, yeah, that I know, guys. But why didn't start? Okay, today we're starting. Many people fine. So no one has started. Everyone is waiting. Fine, we'll start it. The coding part. Okay, it's not okay. You should start. You should do by one. Okay. Anyway, today I will start with the coding part. But it's good if you started before the coding part explanation. Anyway, fine. You're waiting. Okay, guys. Let us start with the coding part. Before that, just will revise everything. Okay. So, as we know, our project is correct. Now, as we know, our project is car black box. Black box is nothing but actually it was used in planes, but now we are going to implement in our car. We have seen in the subtract and the need of the black box, everything we have seen. And then the requirements, default screen, nothing but dashboard. Correct, no? Default screen, nothing but dashboard. And then next we have seen about event capture. Nothing but the event, mean whenever we are changing the gears, we are going to store it. And then we have seen main menu also. Nothing but menus that we are scrolling. We have 4 menus. After storing the events, we have 4 menus. What are all view log, set time, download log, clear log. We'll see one by one. Yeah. So default screen yesterday I have told you to do, but started. So in default screen, what whenever you're turning on the board, correct, when you're turning on the board, we need to display time, event, and then speed. No, time, event, and then speed. Time we are going to get from RTC. Event is nothing but gears. Initially it's on, then afterwards it should be changed with the gears. Correct. No gear neutral, gear reverse, till gear 5. and then collision also there by another switch 3. These gears will be navigated by the gear up key and then down key. Actually we are using switch 1 and then switch 2 for up and down key. So this will be navigated. Then switch 3 for collision, nothing but to make the accident. No. And then from here, whenever I'm pressing, whenever I'm changing the gear or whenever the collision is occurring, the event should be stored on our double EPROM. We have seen. And then we have seen one more thing, enter key and then exit key. While pressing enter key in the dashboard, it should enter to menu page. That's what we have seen. And then event capture we have seen. Correct. No. In the event capture, we need to store the data as the format of event time, event signature, nothing but what is the event and then what's the speed at the event. This and all we have seen. And then main menu also we have seen 4 menus that will be scrolled by switch 1 and then switch 2, nothing but up and down keys. And then to select the particular menu, we are using enter key to come back wherever it is. If I need to come back to previous screen, I am using exit key. Not I, you are using. Okay. Then we have seen one by one menu. Vlog, what is meant by vlog? Nothing but we are displaying on our dashboard only. Whatever we stored, no, the data we are displaying. And then set time mean nothing but the RTC time we can change it by using this set time function. Okay. Fine. And then download log. But we are going to display all the logs in our Terra 2. We have seen. And then clear log. Clear log mean what? Nothing but the data can be erased. All the data can be erased by clear log. That's what we have seen. Yeah, we'll see that. If you reset, what about previous data? Yes, we'll see one by one. Don't worry about that. Okay, so today, first we will implement default screen. Okay, na? Nothing but we need to display time, event, and then speed. So everyone open your MPLab ID and then keep it ready with the project. Okay, create one project, new project. Let me create it. Standalone project. Next. Then device we are using PIC 16F877E. Next. See compiler. Project name we can keep it as car black box. Okay, it's already exist for me. So I will create for 20 plus 23. You create just a car black box. Okay. Finish it. Let it be create. Okay. So the project has been created. Now, first thing, what we need to do? We need to include the files, correct? Now, let me create one main file. First, main. Taking more time. And then we'll create one header file also called main only. Yeah. Okay, and then we don't need anything from here. Just delete it in the main.h. And then we have main.c also, and then main.h also we have both. Correct. No. Fine. So in this project, we have lot of things. Correct. No. We have lot of things to implement. What and all the requirement: default screen, event capture, main menu, and then vlog, set time, download log, clear log. So these things we are going to do divide and conquer method. Do you know about that? Divide and conquer? Guys, do you know about divide and conquer? Yeah. What does it mean? Nothing but one big problem will be given to you. If one problem is given to you, one big problem, we need to divide it first. Okay, we need to divide it by part. Hmm. And then we need to find the solution for that small problem. Actually, big problem is given. We are like we are creating a small it. We are dividing it. Then we need to find that small problem solution. Then we will get one big solution. Okay, that only we are going to implement here. Not only here, later for every project you can implement that. Okay. Fine. So let's take we have many things now. First we'll go to default screen. Default screen also one big problem only. We'll divide it. Don't worry about that. Okay. Okay. So we are going to implement first default screen. No, let me open and zoom in. Now tell me to implement dashboard, what and all peripherals we need. First think about it. To implement the dashboard screen. Just a dashboard, I'm asking. Okay. CLCD, switches, potentiometer, yeah. Then anything else? Anything else you are going to use? WP-ROM, RTC. WP-ROM we don't need as of now, just to display. Okay. Don't go to storage part. Just will display the default screen. Switches, CLCD, potentiometer, RTC. Nice. These four things we need. Correct, no? Switches, CLCD, potentiometer, RTC. Okay. So just include those files, no? In our car black box project. What and all? Switches, the digital keypad, CLCD, potentiometer, and then RTC. Include those files in our car black box project. So first we need CLCD and one digital keypad switches, then potentiometer, and then RTC. So to implement CLCD, yeah, CLCD file only. For digital keypad also, we have digital keypad. To implement potentiometer, which file we need to add? Which file? ADC, yeah, exactly. We need ADC. What about RTC? Yeah, ADC.h, ADC.c, both we need. I2C, yeah. We need two files. Do you think only I2C is enough? Actually, three. Hmm? CLCD. Hmm. To implement RTC, we need three. Uh, RTC, sorry, I2C, and then we need that file called DS1307. What is the DS1307? That's what the chip name, RTC name. Correct, no? RTC chip. The name DS1307. We need to include that also. No? Include these files: CLCD, digital keypad, ADC, I2C, DS1307. CLCD with the mode. Hmm. You mean what is CLCD? What do you think? Sir, why DS1307? Okay, then how will you use RTC, Raju, if we don't have DS1307? Ah, any DS1307? No. The RTC is nothing but DS1307 only. CLCD which mode? Okay, I'm asking that. This is enough. 4 bit, yeah, 4 bit is enough for us. 4 bit and then 16 into 2 only enough. 4 bit mode is enough for us. Have you included all files? All the files? For CLCD? Hmm? What are you asking, Shivan? For CLCD, include the CLCD file, no? CLCD.h and then CLCD.c both. Okay.
Sir, can you switch to the journal log?
Sorry?
Let me show the requirement, sir.
Yeah. Do you want to present anything?
No, no, sir. I just want to see the journal log in your system.
Okay.
Yes, sir. For CLCD, we need the driver, like we need the header file for CLCD. No?
We don't have.
Yeah, we have, sir.
Yeah, include it. No, both the CLCD.h and then CLCD.c both.
Yes, sir. Actually, that's what I'm asking. Have you implemented the CLCD, or do I need to say we need to also implement the CLCD header?
Actually, CLCD means it's peripheral I'm mentioning. If one peripheral, if you're taking mean both the C and H field should be added. Okay, we need declaration. No, function declaration we need.
Correct, correct.
Yeah.
So for now, sir, it's enough.
Yeah. Okay.
Like for switch and all these things, you will implement in the header,
Everything.
like in the main LBC.
Everything.
Correct.
ADC.C also, ADC.h also we need to add. Yeah, edge only. Correct, edge only. Okay, let me include it. Just a minute. I'll share it later. In my folders, I'll include it. Just a minute. Guys, have I included everything? Potentiometer, there is no file. No, just we are using channel only, right? Using ADC. And then we need to select the channel. That's it. No. Yeah. Everyone added every files. Whatever we need. Okay. What about others, guys? Are you there? CLCD, yeah, digital keypad, RTC, I2C. Yeah, that's it. And then what about ADC, Manju? We don't need ADC. No, single channel is enough, Manju. Single channel. We do it actually. MP Lab is doing something. Just a minute. Not responding properly. You add every fields now only, guys. Everyone, just add it. Some 2 minutes. Yeah, guys. Actually, MPLAB ID is not importing actually. That files are not getting import from outside. Fine, let it be. Just I will type it. Okay. Just I will type the steps. Just to follow that. Okay. You have included, right, everyone? Yeah, I have done everything, but it's not importing. It's giving error. That's fine. Okay. Let it be. This I will give you. What and all should be done. Yeah. Initially, I was doing that only. I didn't copy paste everything. Something happening in my laptop. Fine. Need to check it. Later, we'll check it. It's getting time. It's taking time. Fine. Just I will tell you the steps one by one. Like algorithm, I will write, or else some code also I will write. Okay, no. Fine. First dashboard. Okay, no. So anyway, we know we need to run the while of one. Let me write it. Okay, while of one. And then here first we need to start the dashboard. Correct, no? So if you see dividend concurrent, definitely we need to go with the functions. Correct, right? Dividend concur, nothing but functions only. Everything we are going to do in different functions. So we are going to call different functions only. So for that we are going to create one more file called blackbox.c. Okay, blackbox.c. I think, but in steganography also you have done. Correct. No, one main function will be there. From there, just the function call will happen. But remaining everything will be done in that encode.c and then decode.c. Do you remember that? Do you remember? Yeah. Same thing we are going to implement here also. Okay. Just a function call will happen from main.c. Remaining all things will happen in the blackbox.c only. Okay. No? Here I have typed it. I think it's getting on fine. So, and then before doing that, we need to initialize. No, initialize everything in config. Okay, that you can do here only. Not a problem in that. Just initialize everything. As of now, for dashboard, we need 4 things. One is CLCD. Just I will write it. 8 CLCD we need. Yeah, all init functions. Correct. No, you don't have init CLCD, so it's giving color. Fine. And then do everything. Okay, all the initialization, whatever we need. All the thing should be done. Then we have started the while of. Okay, now we have started the while of. So first, what should be done? We need to read the keys. No. Correct, right? Here, read the keys. In the while of one, first read the key. Okay. So in entire project, only one read key function should be there. You should not use anywhere. Only here, only in the while of one, first time you need to read the key, not more than that. Okay, no? And then we are going to call the function. First function is what? Dashboard. Correct, right? We are going to call the dashboard function. Just to call it, no? Dashboard function we are going to call. So whatever you are going to call, that you need to declare in main.h. Okay, so here first we are not going to return anything, no. So just declare it here. So function name dashboard. And then we need to include this file here. Include it. This is user defined file, so we are including it. Okay, main.h. Just include it. So dashboard function will be defined now. Don't worry about in blackbox.c. Okay, so initially we are calling dashboard. Then later we need to go with main menu and then view log, download log and all. No. So what can be done? We can go with the flag. One flag variable we can go with. How can we go with? Nothing but let's take one flag variable in main.h only. Every declarations we can do here only. So here function declarations. Okay. Function declarations I'm going to do here. And then whatever variable declarations, no, I'm going to do the first. So first we need one flag. So let's take an integer. Hmm, what's a flag name we can keep? What do you think? You tell me. No. Yeah, as per the key name will assign. That's fine. What I'm telling is that we need to call dashboard. Correct. No, first time dashboard will execute, then main will execute, then view log, download log. Like this, it will go. Correct. No. So I will keep it as just for our understanding main flag. Okay, just main flag and keep it. If I am not declaring it, sorry, if I am not initializing the value, what is the value? What do you think? If I am not initializing it, garbage. Is it zero? It's global variable. No, in H file we are declaring it's global variable. It's zero. Yeah, fine. Yeah, in header only. It's like global variable only, right? The header where it will be replaced. Here only it will be replaced. Oh, you thought in main. Okay, fine. Okay, so we are checking if that main flag, if it is equal to zero, nothing but we are using dashboard function. Using dashboard function. So the dashboard function will be called. So we are going to definition here only. You are going to write. First, we need to include that main.h file. Okay, and then first void dashboard. Yeah, and then nothing we collected. So here also just a dashboard only. Sorry, void no. Okay, in dashboard function, first what we need to do, guys? First thing, dashboard we have three things. We need to display time, and then event, and then speed. Correct? No. So first we will go with the time. How will you display the time? To display the time, what all should be done? We need to get the time from RTC. Correct? No. So first get time from RTC. Okay. After getting, display the time. Just okay. Display that time. After getting. So and before that, we need to display like in first line. No, we need to display the headers. CLCD print just a time and then some spaces, event, and then speed. Correct? No, this should be displayed. No. First you are displaying it on the dashboard, and then in second line, first you are getting the time from RTC, and then that should be displayed. Where in CLCD line 2 of 0. Okay. Yeah, that and all will be done in get time function. No. Converting from BCD to character, everything will be done. We need to display that. We can display only characters because it's character liquid crystal display. We need to display that. Fine. So it will be done by the RTC. Okay. Fine. So assume we are displaying it RTC that time. Next, how will you display the event? What do you think? How can we display the event? That we are simulating. No. RTC is fine. Already we have code. Directly I can importing. But that event we need to simulate by own, by manually. How can we do it? Any idea? Yeah, first we need to display on. By key press we are changing. That's fine. But how will you display it first? Do you think we can display like this? CLCD print on in line 2 of something in 10. Like this. Is it possible? If I'm displaying like this, do you think we can change it? No, right? So what should be done? What do you think? Yeah, and key press it should be changed. How will you change it? It's hard coded. No, just a on. How will you change it then? So for that, do one thing. We'll take in array. Yeah, need functions with the string parameter. Actually, don't use anything inside as a parameter. Declare everything globally. Okay, declare everything globally. Then only we can do easily. Let's take in main.h. Here, take one array, character array, and then let's take gears. No, gears. Or else events. That's our wish. Okay, let's take events only. Okay, what is the size? What do you think? The size of the array? 6. Okay. Only 6 is enough. 8. What and all? Let's see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7 for only gears. And then we have on, and then we have collision. Correct, no? We have on and then collision. Only for gears, Gn, Gr, G1, G2, G3, G4. Here only we have 6, and then one more G5, 7. And then we need collision and then on. Totally how much? Yeah, that collision and then on also give here only. That also events only, right?
No, sir. Sir, for gear, we will take the array. As for the index value, we will change the gear, right, sir? And for collision, we will directly take a hard-coded value so that if the collision should be detected, then we'll.
Yeah, that's we
Yes, sir.
can take hard-coded value, but I am taken as event only. No, the array name we have
Mhm.
taken as event.
Okay.
Okay, all the events will include here only. Just we will access it. Don't worry about that.
Okay, fine, sir.
Yeah, collision also event only. Manju, gear reverse, everything events only. So totally
Sir,
we need 9.
hello, sir.
Yeah, Suman?
Sir, I'm saying we'll take the size as 5 or 6 for the gear only. Rest, sir, we'll do accordingly because, sir, in the gear we can change sequentially, right, sir? Like if 1, 2, 3, then it will goes accordingly. Right,
Sorry,
sir. But for sir,
can you
am
repeat,
I
Suman?
audible, sir?
Yeah, audible, audible.
Sir, I'm saying for gear only we can take the array. Like it will be better so that
Yeah, now you will not understand later.
change the
Like
array value accordingly. But sir, rest
while coming, while
non-sequential. Like sir,
just a
from
minute,
gear neutral to. Mhm.
just a minute. While coming to storing part, no. When you are storing, we need to store C also, on also, everything we need to store.
Correct.
Okay. At the time, direct easily we can access by the event. Sorry, in the event capture function.
But sir, we can directly take hard-coded variable, no, sir?
Yeah, here in dashboard also you need to take, and then in event capture also you need to take. No, if you are taking hard coded value.
Correct, sir. Fine, sir.
So
I will take 9.
yeah, now you will not, you will be having some confusion, but while coming to event capture, you will understand properly. Just wait.
Yes, sir. That's what I think also.
Yeah. Yeah, Tarun, 9, correct. Okay, fine. So 9. But do you think only one deer is enough? Hmm? Directly can I store like this? Equal to. And then on the next GN. Everything. Is it possible within one deer? It's what? This also one string. Correct, no? It's kind of string. So where we need to store it? We need to store in 2D array only. No, nothing but array of strings we are storing. Okay. Then correct. Array of strings we are storing. So what's the next exercise? So row is fine, 9 rows. What about column? Just both static only will take. No. 4 will better. Why 4? I know why.
So GN1 then null character.
How many we need? Then 4, huh?
Yes, sir. 4.
Is it? Why? G1 and then null character. 3 only enough, right? We need 4 for
No,
everything.
sir. Because sir, most of the like sir, we have G1, G2.
Yeah, G1, G2.
Oh, sir,
As
sorry,
in
sir,
G1
sorry,
is
sir.
a string.
3.
Yeah, 3 is enough.
Yeah, fine, sir. 3 is enough.
Okay. So 9 into 3 on and then G and store everything. Okay. Then G1 as per set. Then G2, then G3, then G4, then G5, then gear reverse. Then we need collision. Okay. So these and all our events. Totally 9 events. 1, 2, 3, 4. 9 events. Yeah. Can you tell me why 3? Yeah, sure. So we are storing 2 characters in one array. Correct. No, in one array if you're taking, we have 2 character. But string mean what? What is in by string? What is in by string actually? Have you studied? Array of characters. Only array of characters. With null. Yeah, ending with null character. Correct, no? Yeah, correct. So just if I am giving 2, this on will be stored. But what about null character? Where it will be stored? We need to give one more byte data, no? So that's why we are giving 3. 2 bytes for storing these values and then one more byte for to store the null character. Or else this will be stored continuously. Okay, without null character, all the things will be stored continuously. So that's why I am taking 3 bytes. Yeah. Okay. So we have taken events in one array that we can access in black box C also because we are at main.h. So first, what should be done? Here we need to display events of 0. Correct. No? Events of 0 should be displayed. Then later we need to change it. So what can be done? So here if I am hard coding 0, we cannot change it. So we'll take one value. Let's take any variable, proper meaningful variable name. Let's take gear index, no, or else event index, event index. Okay, let me declare that integer event index. Okay. I have declared it event index. So initially it will be 0. So once you enter to dashboard, event index 0 will be accessed. What is our 0th event? Nothing but on. So this will be displayed. Correct? No? 0 will be displayed on our CLC. Then fine. This is fine. How will you change it? How will you change it? By pressing the switches, right? Okay, you were saying after 5 seconds. Yeah, that's your requirement 7. You can implement that, not a problem in that. But with the switches. Okay, as per our requirement with the switches. Correct, no? Fine. So now, if key, let's say we are reading the key, that key I am using it. If key equal to switch 1, what should be done? It's nothing but gear up, no? We need to increment that event index. We need to increment it. Correct. Okay. So that key also take here only. Let's take unsigned character. Key. Nothing initially. And then that key we need to read here. Okay. Here we need to read key equal to read switches. That should be done here. Uh, do you remember, Anisha, which delay we need to use? Blocking delay or non-blocking delay? Which one will be better? What do you think? Blocking? Sure. Don't use blocking ever. Okay, it will block your entire code. Entire instruction will be stopped for that 5 seconds. You should use non-blocking only. You should not stop the code execution. Instruction execution should not be stopped. You need to use non-blocking only everywhere. Okay, don't use blocking ever. Fine. Okay, you are reading the key in the main function, and then in blockbox.c, just you need to access it. It will be accessed no anyway because we declared in header file only. Directly it will be accessed. So if key equal to switch one mean we need to increment the event index, but maximum how much? Here also we need to check the condition. Correct? No, event index incrementing. If we press the key, let's take plus event index. How much it should be incremented? 5. Huh? Let me check this. So here we started, then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What about 6? It should not go to 6. No, guys, not 9. It should not reach here. 8. No, 8. Don't go to collision. Gear on forward. Switch one is forward. Just to increment the gears, not to the collision. It should not go to the collision. Max, it should come till gear reverse. Actually, gear reverse where we implemented. Here only we implemented previously. Let me take this. After gear neutral, just to give that gear reverse. Yeah, 1 to 6 only. The event in text, initially it is 0. Then when we started to press, it should be here only gear neutral to gear 5. It should not go anywhere else. Maximum till gear 5. Minimum gear neutral. Correct? No? That's what I said no yesterday. Do you remember? Yeah. 1 to 7 only. Only this much should be accessed by using gear up and then gear down. Yeah. Why? What confusion? What do you think?
Like sir, after neutral we have to switch to one, na, sir. Like if we press the button, then we'll directly switch to reverse. Like every time it will go to reverse only, which is not required when we can't store that, right, sir?
Yeah, that's not needed. Just still we are simulating the gears. Don't worry about that. You said no, like you are using some other
No,
key
sir.
for gear reverse. That can be used, not a problem.
Yes, sir. That's what I'm telling. Because, sir, every time when the car will start in simulation, sir, every time if the car will start, when it changes the gear to one, then definitely it will create an event for reverse.
It will go to gear reverse, then only it will come to gear neutral.
Right, sir.
Yeah, as per simulation. But you can use some other key, not a problem. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yes.
Don't worry, just this would happen. Okay, maximum 1 to 7. So what will you do? The event index should be less than. I mean, just event index we don't want to increment here. If it is less than 7, correct? No, then we can increment the event index when you are pressing switch 1. Okay, this would be done. If it is 6, we can increment. If it is reached 7, we do not increment it. Okay, that's what when you're pressing switch 1. What about next? When you're pressing switch 2, let's take switch 2. What do you think? Minus, but what is the condition? If event index less than or equal to 1. Greater than, yeah, greater than. If it is greater than 1, then we can decrement it. Event index we can decrement when if it is greater than 1. Yeah, fine. Then what about switch 3? Else if k equal to switch 3. Collision, correct. Now, but what we need to do for the event index? 8. Directly we need to assign. Directly assign it, not a problem. So it got to 8 last. Okay, now fine. So now actually what you need to do is that don't use switch 1 and then switch 2, switch 3 under. Okay, by using macro, convert it. The name is the no, you need to convert it by up key, down key, collision key, like that. That should be done here in main.c. Main.h. Okay, like here. Define something up key. Switch 1. Okay. Then same thing for down key also. Yeah. Can you do it? You don't want to type, right? Yeah. Fine. Just here I will type. Invert collision. Or else we can sort it. No. Some COLL key. Switch 3. Excellent. Key or collision key, anything is fine. Excellent or collision, anything. That name should be used here. Nothing but up key, then here, down key, danger key. Yeah, fine. Collision. That's your wish. Implement it. Like this, implement it. Okay. So even index is 8. And then I have set another for main. Yeah, that and all we need to include. Need to define it. Then assume collision is happened. Okay, we are implementing like incrementing and then decrementing gears, everything is happening. After collision, if I press any up key or down key, what do you think what should happen? Zero? You mean on? Nothing. Guys, think properly. Yesterday I said something. After collision, if I press any up or down key, what should happen? And then I told something that Dilip, you only said no, you are going to private hospital. We are printing collision. Assume I press the key, C is displaying. Fine. Later, if I press any up or down key, okay, up or down key, something should happen. No, it should go to gear neutral. Okay, it should go to gear neutral only. When if I press collision key, then if I press any other up or down key, okay, that should be done here only. Mean nothing but when you're pressing up key or down key, first we need to check what is the event index. If the event index is pointing in 8th position, okay, na, nothing but if it is pointing in collision, then directly it should come to first. That we need to check it here. If the event index is equal to 8, just change to 1. Okay, then check it. Okay, if this condition falls, then only we need to check. If it is not equal to 8, then we are checking it's less than 7 or not. Is it clear about this part? If I press up key, first I am checking where that event index is pointing. If it is pointing in 8, directly I am changing to event index to 1. Okay, or else if it is not pointing in 8, I am checking it is less than 7 or not. If it is less than 7, then I am incrementing it. Is it clear, guys? About this part?
Sir, then we should do it for all, right? Sir?
No, only these two.
Like, sir, for up and down also.
Yeah, correct. So I will do it. Don't worry.
Then, sir, what
Sorry,
should be the index? Like 0 or 1, sir? Here.
which one?
Sir, here the index should be the index check value.
Event index, huh?
Yes, sir.
And that should be 1. No, if it is 8. Actually, what I'm saying is that if it is goes to collision, then if I'm pressing any up or down key, it should come back to gear neutral again.
Correct.
Yeah, nothing but first index.
Sir, after collision, directly it will switch to GN, sir. Like collision will store, then it will switch to GN.
No. We need to press the key. Collision mean until press another key, the collision should be displayed.
Correct. Yes, sir. Okay, then, sir, if after collision, if any up or down key we press, it will directly switch to GN, right, sir?
Yeah, correct. You're correct.
Sir.
Okay, so this we have done. Then nothing but as of now we displayed every events. First we have displayed about RTC time we displayed, and then events we displayed using this code. Okay, fine. If you want, you can do this in another function also, if it's required. If for your better understanding, you can do it in different function, or else you can keep it here also. Not a problem in that. Okay, fine. Then last one is there. Nothing but we need to display the speed. Correct? No. So we have displayed time and then event. The last one is called speed. What do you think? What can be done for that? Read ADC. Yeah, correct. You need to read the ADC value. And then what is the channel? Which channel you will use? Channel number? 0. Yeah, potentiometer. We have 2 potentiometers. You can use 0 or 1. Yeah, correct, Sanjami. So here you need to read the ADC value from potentiometer. Okay. Any potentiometer you can take. That's your choice. Then, if you are reading the ADC value, how much we will get? Minimum and maximum. Is it? Yeah, I'm asking how much we will get the ADC value. Yeah, 1023 we will get. Correct? No. 0 to 1023 we will get. That should be converted to 99. 1023 if I am getting, that should be changed to 99. Okay, that you need to think that what can be done for that. You need to display only 0 to 99. If you are getting 1023, that should be changed as 99. So what will you do?
Sir, can you directly calculate the percentage?
Directly you can do it. Not a problem.
Then, sir, the analog value by 1023 into 100 speed minus 1.
Yeah, correct. Whatever you said, no, that's also good. Or else directly you can do divide by 10. Divide by 10 mean we will get some 123, but 10.25 something you can do. Okay, so we will get 99. Yeah, that's fine. You can use it whatever you need. That 0 to 1023 we will get. That should be converted as 0 to 99. Okay, this would be done. The conversion. And then this value should be displayed. Okay, but let's take this value you are storing in one variable called ADC register value, ADC value. Okay, or else speed, we'll take it as speed. That speed should be displayed. How will you display that? It's an integer value. No, we will get some integer value only. Okay, after converting this, we are getting it. Speed. Not 100, 99. Don't reach 100. Simple. Typecast. Let's take.
No, sir. Hello.
Yes.
Sir, I'm saying that percentage will be better because sir, we'll consider 0 to 100 only. Like let 0 to 100 only. But here we can display 0 to 99. So we'll simply do -1. Like if it is 100, then
Okay,
-1.
minus in order. Fine, fine, fine. Yeah.
Yes, sir. If it is 100, then we'll do -1.
Yeah.
Yes, that's right. And sir, for this we'll do typecast because we'll get the value in integer format.
No, you can't do that typecasting. Think
Sir,
it.
-48.
No, 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 no. I'll tell you. Just a minute. I'll tell you.
Sir. So,
Once again, explain that to convert 1023 to 29. Yeah, guys, nothing. Actually, we will get 0 to 1023. No, from ADC. The analog ADC because ours 10-bit register. So maximum 0 to 1023 we will get. That should be just converted to 0 to 99. How will you convert? If I'm getting 1023, we need to change it as 99. Just divide by 10.25 something you can do, no? Or else like that divide by 1023 into 100. Like that also you can do. That speed whatever you're getting, no? Just divide by 10.25 you can do. Fine. Now, this speed variable we need to display nothing but we need to display two characters. Correct? No, two digits we need to display. 002 99, two digit we have. How do we get 1023? Okay, we are using potentiometer. Correct? No, this potentiometer only we are using any one potentiometer. This from this potentiometer it's connected to our ADC. Correct? No, inside PIC 16 we have ADC. This is connected to potentiometer. If I am tilting it full, let's say here, what is ADC value we will get? Chiranjeevi? ADC value after conversion of analog to digital. From here, analog value we are getting that will be given to ADC. That ADC will convert to digital value. Our ADC is what? How many? With like nothing but what is the resolution? 10-bit register, no? If it is 10-bit register, the maximum value is what? Hmm. 1024, but it's starting from 0, correct? No, so 0 to 1023. Okay, now. Yeah, correct. You'll get 1023. Fine. We need to display two characters. Correct? No, nothing but in CLCD, in line 2, we need to display in 14th position and then 15th position. One character, nothing but let's take if I'm getting speed 45. This 4 should be displayed in the line 2 of 14. This 5 should be displayed in line 2 of 15. So what you can do is that let's take CLCD, put CH, right? Only one character. Okay, CLCD put CH, and then that speed. How will you get it? The last digit. Mod by 10. Yeah, not divide by 10. The next digit, last digit. Mod by 10, and then plus 48. Okay, to convert to as character because here it is integer. Okay, we are collecting an integer value only because we will get integer value only. That plus 48 that should be displayed in line 2 of where 15. Correct? No, and then same In line 2 of 14, we need to display speed divide by 10. That's it. Yeah, that also same thing, Sanjeevi. What I'm telling you. Plus 0 not possible. No, 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 no. 45 plus 0, it will go somewhere, no? Single digit value mean you need to display. That's what. 0, 0. If it is some 7 mean 0, 7 should be displayed. Yeah, ASCII of 0 is 48. No, you have studied right in the C module. Hope. No, in single quotes, Chiranjeevi, think properly. We cannot display two characters in single code. Can you display two characters in single code? We need to make it as array then. Only single character mean fine. Whatever you're telling, no, that's fine. Yeah, two characters mean we need to go with array string. Yeah, fine. So like this, we are displaying that dashboard function. First, we are getting time from RTC, displaying the time in line 2 of 0, and then in line 2 of somewhere 10, we are displaying the event. The event we are changing by up key, down key, and then collision key. Yeah. And then this speed we are displaying from potentiometer. By ADC, we are getting the potentiometer value that will be converted to our requirement. But we will get 0 to 1023 that we need to convert to 0 to 99. That should be displayed on the CLCD in line 2 of 14 and then 15. Okay. Let me write it first. Okay. Fine. So it will display the dashboard, whatever you are doing now. Can you implement this, guys, now? And then can you let me know you are getting output or not? Have you typed it to me? No. Oh, okay. Are you noting down or else? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Then fine. What about others, guys? Everyone? We have some 70 people in the session. Everyone noting down or simply? What about others? Are you there, guys? Are you slept? Anybody cooking? Or anybody slept? You can type. You can start. Nothing. Simply sitting. Don't know what to do. Anusha, are you noting down? Everything. Okay. Okay. Fine. I thought nothing means simply sitting. Fine. So. Okay. 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 Fine. Fine. Don't get angry. I simply said. So can you complete it by now? The dashboard function. If you included all the files, mean it's very easy, no? Anybody have any doubt in the dashboard function, guys? If you have, please let me know. And today it's enough. Dashboard only enough. If you have completed this, it's more enough. If you have completed dashboard by today. RTC. You know about RTC, right? Sanjeevi? Have you attended the class, RTC class? DS 1307? If you forgot, just watch the recording session again about RTC, how to implement it by I2C protocol. Okay. Yeah, time, event, speed. Here we have no. Dilip, what do you mean? Line 2 mean? In line 2 only, first in line 2 of 0, we are displaying time. Okay. And then from after displaying time, we are displaying the event. And then after displaying event, we are displaying the speed. In line 1, just we are displaying the headers, time, event, speed. Line 2 of 14. Line 2 of 14, we are displaying, no, the speed. Speed we are displaying. Mean we see here 14, no. So let's take 19 in. So here we need to display 9, next to 9. So 14 and then 15. We need to display. That's what we are doing here. Speed we are getting. That speed only one digit we are extracting. That one digit we are displaying in line 2 of 14. The next digit you are displaying in line 2 of 15. Yeah. Okay, guys, try to complete this. Okay, it's enough for today. Not forcing more. Only dashboard is enough. Once you have completed, please send me that video. Okay, screenshot video. Just to take video about dashboard. If you completed, can then send me. We'll check it. How many of you completing? Not today. I will go and sleep now. Later, tomorrow I'll check it. Just to send me. Anybody having any doubt regarding this? If you have, please let me know now, or else we'll wind up.